Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Today we are going to draw a rose flower. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial. As you see, we started with an oval and then I just made a cylindrical shape with a bit of curves on the edges just to give that delicate look that the rose flower have. Now from this basic shape that you see on the left, we are going to make as much as possible a realistic rose. So we are going to keep this first shape in mind, and now we are going to give our petals the curves they need. So this can be a second step. It is for those who struggle with how and where to start the drawing from. So as you can see, we are doing it layer by layer just to make it simpler. Once you have achieved the second drawing, you are able to make a few curves. I think you should be ready for the third one as well. So in the third one, it is going to be more realistic in terms of the petals. They are not all very smooth. They have a bit of curve. The shading is there. Not only that, but there are a lot of petals, not just one and two. So you may want to keep that in mind. Now usually in my tutorials I start with a black pen. However, I wanted to do this particular one with a pencil just to share that it is it is much easier doing it with a pencil, because you can actually sketch over the lines. When you're using a pen or a marker, it is kind of permanent in the first take. However, in this particular drawing, as you see here, I'm making very small dashes to make one single line. This helps me achieve the look I want. So in the third image, I have also added leaves, and I'm going to give definition to the stem as well. Just because I like I like the look that it is giving me at the moment, and it is kind of what I anticipated it to be. Now that I'm happy with my sketches, and I can go ahead with my black marker. I'm using a black gel pen, so I can go ahead and make it a little more permanent. Now here is the thing, when you use a pencil, you can always erase your mistakes. So that is what I'm gonna do. Once I am done with the black marker, I will just erase all the pencil lines, so I don't have to do it ahead of time, because I can still choose the dashes I really want to make. I want to make permanent, and the ones which I am not interested for, I can just erase them. So if you are a beginner or you're going to draw this sketch literally for the first time, I would highly recommend go for a pencil. Take few turns of drawing it if you don't have to make it permanent in one go. And if possible, try the step-by-step process. You'll get more comfortable with it rather than trying the third image just in one go. So this is pretty much it. I'm going to just end up coloring it now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do leave your comments below if you want more similar and easy tutorials. I'll see you next time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.